Good day everyone. Welcome back to the Azure Database Watcher Series. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of upgrading your free Azure Data Explorer cluster to a full Azure Data Explorer cluster. Now, if you have been using the free tier, you have probably noticed it comes with certain capacity limits, especially around storage. Once you hit those limits, new monitoring data stops getting ingested, and that can be a big problem if you're relying on real-time insights. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how to upgrade without losing any of your existing data so you can unlock more power, more storage, and scale your workloads with confidence. If you're working with Azure Monitor or Database Watcher and need that extra capacity, this upgrade is a must. So stick around, follow along with the steps, and if you find this helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Azure tutorials. Let's get started. So this Database Watcher, JB Watcher Free, is basically using my free Azure Data Explorer cluster, if you see here, yeah. So now what we'll do is that let's connect to this cluster first, yeah. Before starting the upgrade from the free Azure Data Explorer cluster to a full Azure Data Explorer cluster, it's advisable to stop the Database Watcher. Yep. So let's go ahead and stop it. And now let's go to the Azure Data Explorer cluster. Yeah. And then let's click on Trust here. And then what we can do is like you need to click on My Clusters here. And then if you see here, this JB cluster free, we have this option to upgrade to Azure cluster. So let's click on that. Yep. So the cluster name, what we'll do is like we will leave the name here just as JB cluster free, and then see what happens if we click on the upgrade. Yeah. So subscription, it is set to my subscription. Yeah. So whatever is required for you, you can select there. And as far as the resource group is concerned, I will select my JB Watcher resource group. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Let's select that, and then cluster region, I will leave it to South Central US. Yeah, I will leave it as it is. And then availability zone, I will select it as no, I don't need an availability zone as of now. Let's click on the upgrade here and then see what happens. Now I'm seeing this option here. It tells like your Azure cluster is being created. So let's wait for it. In the meantime, let's click on this see details. As soon as I clicked on that see details, I'm able to see this message here, which basically tells like Azure Data Explorer is currently in state creating. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my previous screen, and then I will wait for this to complete, and then we'll take it from there. Now we can see that copying the data to your full Azure cluster is happening. That means like the Azure cluster, the Data Explorer cluster has been created, and now the copying is undergoing. It is completed now. If you can see here, it is basically giving you a message stating like your full Azure cluster is ready. Free cluster was upgraded to a full Azure cluster and is ready to use. Let's click on the Manage the Cluster in Azure portal. If you see here, we're able to see that this JB cluster free is an Azure Data Explorer cluster, and then we have an option now to stop it. Yeah. Now what we'll do is like let's go to the home page, and then let's click on this Azure Data Explorer clusters, and then if you can see here, you're able to see JB cluster free here. Yeah, so this clearly proves that this cluster is no longer a free Data Explorer cluster, but it is a full Data Explorer cluster now. Yeah, so now what we'll do is let's head back to our JB Watcher. Yeah, and then let's do a refresh here. And then if you see here, we are able to see that the JB cluster free is here. Let's go to the overview. Let's start it. And then once it comes online, let's look at the dashboard and then see if you're able to see that one Azure SQL database still showing up in the dashboard. So the watcher is started now. Let's go to the dashboard and then check out. Now, if you see here, we are able to see this one Azure SQL database still here. So let's click on that. And then let's look at the ingestion statistics. So right now time is 9:10 p.m. IST. And if you see here, the last sample time is also pointing to 9:10 p.m. So it clearly proves that we have successfully upgraded our free Data Explorer cluster to a full Data Explorer cluster. And all the data and everything also copied over after the upgrade, and the data collection is also happening fine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.